primary colors. Let's paint. Hi kids! Today we are doing a painting of a dog. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven. And he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven." And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind." And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Dogs are furry, four-legged animals that are known as man's best friend. They belong to a group of animals called mammals, which means they have fur, breathe air, and feed their babies milk. There are many different kinds or breeds of dogs. Some are small, like Chihuahuas, and some are big, like Great Danes. Each kind has its own special look and personality. Some dogs are fluffy, like poodles, while others have short hair, like dachshunds. Dogs are loyal and loving animals. They make great pets because they love to play, go for walks, and cuddle with their owners. Dogs can also learn tricks like sitting, shaking paws, or rolling over. Some dogs are trained to help people, like guide dogs for the blind, or rescue dogs who help find people in emergencies. Dogs can't talk like people, but they have other ways of communicating. They bark to get attention or warn their owners about something. They wag their tails when they're happy, and they might growl if they're scared or feel threatened. Dogs also use their ears and eyes to show how they feel. Did you know that dogs have an amazing sense of smell? They can smell things that humans can't, which is why they're so good at finding lost people or objects. Dogs can also hear sounds that are too quiet for humans to hear. That's why they might bark at something you didn't even notice. If you ever meet a dog, remember to be gentle and kind. Don't pull their tail or ears, and always ask the owner before petting them. Dogs love attention, but they also need their space sometimes. Dogs have been living with humans for thousands of years. They used to help people hunt for food and protect their homes. Today, they're still helping us in many ways and are also our best friends. Looks like he's ready to play catch, right?